Do you spit or do you swallow? I know what you're thinking, but we're actually talking about mushrooms here. Now just follow me through on this one because I guarantee it's definitely worth it. Because there's a saying when it comes to Lucy, if it's bitter, it's a spitter. And that's mainly true because there's all kind of other chemicals that could be on that tab, and so if you take something and it feels really metallic or it feels like a chemical, you definitely want to spit that shit out. But when I'm talking about mushrooms, I'm talking about a completely different test because there's plenty of poisonous mushrooms out there, and you can actually do what they call the nibble test. And so I point this out because you're not going to die by touching a mushroom that's poisonous, nor are you going to die by inhaling the spores unless you inhale a large amount of spores. So you can actually do what's called the nibble test. And so this is a puffball, and I know that this mushroom is completely edible, but what you can actually do is take a small little bite, and you can chew it up a little bit in your mouth, and then spit it out. You want to make sure you spit out all the little pieces. You see, because poisonous mushrooms definitely have a bitter and a definitive sort of flavor to them. Now, of course, this is just one method because you want to also take a spore print. You want